Hello, I'm Yon, and today I want to talk about something that has basically been a part of my life for years now. FlipaClip. Yeah, that FlipaClip. Some of you might already know this, but I have been using FlipaClip for about 5, maybe even 6 years now, which is honestly crazy. Now let's be honest for a second. FlipaClip is a decent animation app, but is it the greatest animation app ever made? No, not even close. Don't get me wrong, it's super beginner friendly, like you can literally animate with just your fingers, which is cool, but it also has some problems. For example, the free version. Oh boy. The free version is not an app. It's an art simulator with animation features. Like you're animating peacefully, everything is going well, and then suddenly, bam! A random 30-second ad shows up like it owns your phone, and don't even get me started on the local features. Half of the tools are basically just decorations, you tap on them and it's like, oh, you wanted to use this? That will cost you $10. And here is the funny part. I'm broke, like really broke. But I still saved money for almost a whole year, just to buy FlipaClip Plus. Yeah, a whole year. And honestly, it's actually kinda good. Yeah, I know, I hate to admit it. First, no ads. Now you can actually animate without getting mentally attacked every 5 minutes. Second, more tools, more brushes, more layers. Actual useful features that should have probably been free in the first place. But hey, progress. And third, it just feels more professional. But it's still not perfect. Not even close, because even with FlipaClip Plus, the app still feels limited, like you hit a wall really fast if you're trying to improve. And don't even try making a big animation, because the moment your project gets slightly heavy, FlipaClip starts lagging like it's fighting for its life. And now, the biggest problem. The price. It's €29.99 per year or €5.99 per month. Like, come on, FlipaClip, don't you think that's a little bit too much? Actually, no. I don't think that's too much. Wait, what? What do you mean it's not too much? I literally spent all my money on you, and for what? For this? Because here is the thing. I could have just bought Rough Animator for way less money, and it's honestly more powerful animation app. I mean, just look at this. Better timeline, better controls, more professional tools, and here I am still using FlipaClip like a loyal idiot. But let's be real for a second. FlipaClip was never meant to compete with professional animation software. It's more like a simple animation playground. But honestly, that's also why I still like it. Because despite all the ads, the limitations, the pricing, the lag, FlipaClip is the app that taught me how to animate. Every terrible animation I made, every weird drawing, every bouncing ball practice, it's all started right here. So yeah, FlipaClip is not the best animation app, not even close, but for a lot of animators, it's where the journey begins.